Hey, what's up you guys? If you have trailer brakes on your trailer, the only way to control them is to have a brake controller on your vehicle. So we're going to show you how to install a brake controller onto your Dodge Dakota. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So Dodge makes this installation really easy. On their Dakotas, they have a pre-wired plug underneath the dash where our brake controller can just plug into. So let's go ahead and show you where you can find that. Now our plug is located underneath our dash on the left side. If we follow our emergency brake all the way up, we're going to find a bundle of wires and we'll find our 4-pin adapter, which is labeled with electric brake. So this plug is clipped in above this box, so we're just going to go ahead and unclip it. Now we're going to get our brake controller ready to plug into our vehicle. We're going to take our adapter and we're going to match it with each color wire on our brake controller, and we're going to connect it using a heat shrink butt connector. So before we attach these, we're going to have a lot of extra wiring. So we're going to take the wires from our brake controller side and we're going to cut down this harness in half. With our harness connected, this plug is going to go into our vehicle, into the adapter, and this one's going to go into our brake controller. So let's go ahead and get this wire into place, and then we'll go ahead and hook it up to our brake controller. Now we're just going to go ahead and take our adapter and we're going to plug it in. With our harness plugged in, let's go ahead and show you where you can mount your brake controller. Now we like to put it over here on the right side underneath the dash. Putting it in the center or on the left makes it easier for you to knock it out of place with your legs when you're getting into your vehicle. So to get our harness over to the right side, we're going to stay behind our dash. We're going to go over the wiring and underneath the steering column. Now with our wiring over here on the right side of our dash, we're going to take our bracket tray that comes with our brake controller and we're going to mount it right here underneath the dash. It comes with a couple screws, so you'll need a Phillips head, and we're just going to line it up with one of the holes, and then we'll go ahead and secure it into place. And then we'll take a second screw and we'll put that into place as well. Now we're going to take our harness and we're going to pull it through our bracket from behind. And now we're going to attach it to our brake controller. And you'll see the buttons come on right here showing that it's on. It'll be starting on NC saying it's not connected. And then we're just going to push this in until it locks into place. Alright guys, that wraps up our install for the Prodigy P2 Brake Controller on this Dodge Dakota. Now before you tow your trailer, make sure you read your brake controller instructions on how to properly set up your brake controller with your trailer. Now if you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.